In this animation, we'll match graphs to the math that's developed in section 8b.2.1 of the text. There, we investigate the impact of an increase in the wage for a worker who has 60 hours of leisure per week. Since we're assuming this worker has no other endowments, his leisure endowment E appears on the horizontal axis at 60 hours a week. If we assume a wage rate of $20 per hour, the most this worker can therefore consume is $1,200 per week. To solve for his optimal consumption, we have to solve his constrained utility maximization problem. We maximize utility choosing consumption and leisure subject to the budget constraint that consumption has to be equal to the wage times the number of hours worked, which is just 60 minus the number of leisure hours taken. The utility function that's used in the text is a quasi-linear utility function where utility of consumption and leisure is equal to consumption plus 400 times the natural log of leisure hours. When we solve this constrained maximization problem without specifying what the wage is, we get that consumption is equal to 60 times the wage minus 400, and leisure is equal to 400 divided by the wage. To find the optimal consumption bundle A, we therefore just have to insert the wage of 20 into our solutions for leisure and consumption. For leisure, that gives us 400 divided by 20, which is equal to 20 hours of leisure. And for consumption, it gives us 60 times 20, which is 1,200, minus 400, which will give us $800 worth of consumption. An increase of the wage to $25 per hour will cause an outward rotation of the budget constraint around the endowment bundle E. We can then find the new optimal bundle C by plugging the new wage of $25 into our results for consumption and leisure. For leisure, we get 400 divided by 25, which gives us 16 hours of leisure. For consumption, we get 60 times 25 minus 400, which gives us $1,100 worth of other goods consumption. This worker therefore responds to an increase in his wage from $20 to $25 by working 4 hours more and consuming $300 more of goods per week.